So today we gotta finish up that pressure washing that you seen in the last video. We're probably gonna have just the weed trimmer guy up there. Not sure yet what I'm about to be doing, but I'll probably end up getting a phone call to go do some more shit. But it is pouring. We finally got that rain we were asking for, but it's like a fucking storm. It's like thundering and everything. So let's go pick him up and let's go get started up there first, and then we'll decide what else we got to do today. Hello? Hello?
There's like an alarm system.
Hello?
Yeah, the camera probably thinks we're like exploring the David place.
Okay, chat. So today we're I don't know what we're doing.
What's that behind you?
I think I'm in love, saying way too often. I can't play this game, and girls switching up the offense. See me in a lane, I'll be moving cautious. I can feel no pain, rolling up, I'm so exhausted. I'll be so exhausted. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. I'll be so exhausted. Whoa, oh, oh. I close my eyes, I see the vision. All this reading got me lifted for a phone, and I finished tonight. I told my mama that I'm with it. Got this all like this, my kitchen. Middle finger to these bitches up high. Cause I'ma do it my way. Sit you like the flu, hey. Shawty said she love me. I told her, who are you, hey? I ain't with that lame shit. So sock up at your brain, bitch. All these niggas talking, fuck about what they say. GTA, I'm wasted. Lately, I've been anxious. I'm so done with this fake shit. I'm so done with you. I'm so done with you. Whoa, oh, oh, I'll be so exhausted. Whoa, I'ma roll another blunt, getting lost, I'm never found. Guess I'm never good enough for these bitches in my town. I don't really give a fuck, I'm a king like with my crown. Can't think about them all, cause it all gon' hold me down. I done made it through the storm, I ain't talking NBA. Mama knew I'd be a star, mama knew that I became. I got run up on the phone, said he touchdown in LA. I'ma get it how I get it, I ain't changing for the fame. And I put it on my name. surprise, some profound. Pull up with me, you be like, hey, I'm in the back of the club with the ice. Diamonds on me, I'm really shy. so you would do shit like just lie in my face. I never say never, but my heart is severed. I don't think I ever want to see you again. I gave you trust and you gave me lust. I guess I deserve it for fucking a friend. I can look in your eyes and see when you're lying. So how you gonna look at me trying to pretend that we were forever, but you know you're clever, so you would do shit like just lie in my face. I never say never, but my heart is severed. I don't think I ever want to see you again. I gave you trust and you gave me lust. I guess I deserve it for fucking a friend. I can look in your eyes and see when you're lying. So how you gonna look at me trying to pretend.
Alright, chat. I'm pretty sure we're recording now. Just got done with my number 2. And we'll go back to work now. I like to have it like this. So, about to walk like this. Leave that door open so it can air out a little bit. Alright, chat. Y'all, we're gonna switch the battery out real quick and we'll be right back.
It's okay, I got bands for real. You make so fine, it's time to get. I left them cool, it's on road this. Every time I got they be my nose shit. Been a beast, stepping you influence. From ratty riches, I back the baddest bitches. Every time I step, they gon' watch, tell them mind their business. Oh, late night, I'm in it, cause you know I'm swerving. Young kid stay in his back, he in his Birkin. Money long, extra long, like a Persian. Leave it alone, she was a burden. Working, 2 bitches in the back, they curving. Going hard, extra hard, I got them nervous. In the studio, I hitting flows while they lurking.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
tryna show me, but it's all Gucci. Flex like his shawty, he's a groupie. My life got me feeling like I'm trolling. Yeah, I think my life is a movie. Paparazzi now tryna show me, but it's all Gucci. Flex like his shawty, he's a groupie. My life got me feeling like I'm trolling.
I got so much more design on right now.
Bring it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 whole thoughts on the guap. Where that dick, bitches on my line, and you know they come straight. No stop, what it not, 45, scoping cash like whoa. How you fucking with these hoes? I pull up the greatest and y'all selling all these shows. Doing this till I make it because you know it's like gold. Got me yelling the playlist because she fuck with me the most like that. Bring it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 whole thoughts on the guap. Where that dick, bitches on my line, and you know they come straight. No stop, what it not, 45, scoping cash like whoa. How you fucking with these hoes? I pull up the greatest and y'all selling all these shows. Doing this till I make it because you know it's like gold. Got me yelling the playlist because you fuck with me the most like that.
Buzz it out. I just put a fan girl, flew her out for Russia. I spent 3K, what the fuck budget? Chrome hard G's, 10K, 10 touches. Take the hits that don't lie like Shakira. I'm so damn high in the coop, I'm keto. I don't drink tea, there's only drink expensive liquor. Fucking on your bitch, and my green pie slipper. She go, oh my god, you're underrated. She got itty bitty titties, I bust them on her quickly. I bought that bitch Versace garments just because of pity. If she is a Fashion Nova bitch, she cannot be witched. I tell her with a 5-5, pocket rocket pop, aim it at your top, while she give me top. My brother's on top, your brothers just fall off. I'm the bigger dollar, like she did the M-Rock. Hey, yeah, I'm the greatest. Every single time I drop your bitch, I meet a playlist. And I know a boyfriend, get mad when she play this. And he always complain when she say, I'm a favorite.
Bring it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap. Where that dick, bitches on my line, and you know they come straight. No stop, what it not, 45, scoping cash like whoa. How you fucking with these hoes? I pull up the greatest and y'all selling all these shows. Doing this till I make it because you know it's like gold. Got me yelling the playlist because you fuck with me the most like that. Bring it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap. Where that dick, bitches on my line, and you know they come straight. No stop, what it not, 45, scoping cash like whoa. How you fucking with these hoes? I pull up the greatest and y'all selling all these shows. Doing this till I make it because you know it's like gold. Got me yelling the playlist because you fuck with me the most like that.
The world is yours.
Hey, Ross, sauce it up.
RDIA, matte black with a fitting. Exclusive in my city, yeah, the fans got me winning. Topping out with 30, hit a pedal and a kick it. Mess some short turns, but I turn it and a chick. So what? I might have some heavy days, but fuck love. Had a rack to wait, it's stage tough. Yeah, my money hibernates, I'm vest up. I ain't got nothing to say. So what? I might have some heavy days, but fuck love. Had a rack to wait, it's stage tough. Yeah, my money hibernates, I'm vest up. I ain't got nothing to say. You think I'ma let you run away with it? Nah, I ain't buy shorty, not a paint ticket. Nah, moving coast to coast, she's a fame in it. Nah, doesn't only fade like a faint. what? I might have some heavy days, but fuck love. Had a rap to wait, it stays tough. Yeah, my money hibernates, I'm vest up. I ain't got nothing to say. So what? I might have some heavy days, but fuck love. Had a rap to wait, it stays tough. Yeah, my money hibernates, I'm vest up. I ain't got nothing to say.
I don't need love, just a pocket full of dead friends. Could give a fuck what they saying, I'm a not 10. Light one up, I pull up in that new Benz. Could give a fuck what they saying, I'm a not 10. I just leave the hoe in the hotel lobby. I hit it, then I go home, walk with Shawty. Niggas song about the box, got me feeling like Roddy. They know I'm a pop, ain't shit, don't stop. Ain't it funny how shit change? Guess I made another mistake when I fall with you. And I've been walking out the bank with a whole lot to say. I just stuck like glue, and that's why I've been moving, they been watching. I make music, don't read comments, and I ain't the one. And it's all like problems, baby keep it blunt. I ain't want the drama, I've been getting paid. I got a couple bitches trying to see me on the stage. They weren't really with it till they saw me making plays. Baby, I ain't tripping, I can hit it either way. Love, just a pocket full of dead friends. Could give a fuck what they saying, I'm a not 10. Light one up, I pull up in that new Benz. Could give a fuck what they saying, I'm a not 10. I just leave the hoe in the hotel lobby. I hit it, then I go home, walk with Shawty. Niggas song about the box, got me feeling like Roddy. They know I'm a pop, ain't shit, don't stop me. Frozen down, baby, they love to hate, but they don't know how much work we put in. Okay, I'll pull up. Don't know why they think they know us. Used to hate that, they say that boy kept on blow up. The money ain't gon' change us. Never been a lame, but I'm still in the game. I don't need love, just a pocket full of dead friends. Could give a fuck what they saying, I'm a not 10. Light one up, I pull up in that new Benz. Give a fuck what they saying, I'm a not 10. I just leave the hoe in the and I can hit it either way. Look, just a pocket full of damn friends. You could give a fuck what they saying, I'm an all 10. Like one up, I pull up in that new Benz. You could give a fuck what they saying, I'm an all 10. I just make the hoe in a hotel, darling. I hit it, then I go home, walk with Shawty. Make a song about a box, got me feeling like Roddy. They know I'm a pop, ain't shit gon' stop me.
Hey, Josh Ray.
Bitch, I'm in a fast car, with that bit like NASCAR. Molly in my jeans, I feel like Shallow, bitch, that walk hard. Deep pussy boy, act hard, knowing that ain't not hard. They gon' steal my flow and then they some of that shit not bars. Yeah, now I'm all in, all in. For these bitches, I keep falling, falling. Got this money, now I'm ballin', ballin'. Bitch, I'm in a fast car, with that bitch like NASCAR. Haulin', ass, yeah, I'm gon' get the cash, yeah. If the car slide, nigga, I'm gon' do the dash, yeah. If you outside, nigga, best not be alright, yeah. Cause we prepared for that. Bitch, that nigga better have a strap. I'm gonna fuck about none of that. Bitch, I stay gassed up. Bitch, I say a lot of dumb shit, but I'm asked, yeah. These bitch that niggas always on my dick. That shit sad, yeah. But I see why you mad. Cause a nigga getting cash, yeah. These niggas be mad. And it's sad cause they going out bad. For your bitch, I don't care about none of that. And when they cash, get a rash, yeah. I'm out all of that. I just want some shit that a young nigga never had. I'm in a fast car, with that bit like NASCAR. Molly in my jeans, I feel like Shallow, bitch, that walk hard. Deep pussy boy, act hard, knowing that ain't not hard. They gon' steal my flow and then they some of that shit not bars. Yeah, now I'm all in, all in. For these bitches, I keep falling, falling. Got this money, now I'm ballin', ballin'. Bitch, I'm in a fast car, with that bitch like NASCAR, haulin'.